guys like sitting on the wonk. You know, put you straight, you guys just had to turn yourselves to the wonk. Look, I'm going straight on the wonk. You guys. That was probably why. Right, guys, I've just got to quickly alter my hand position with the rods a little. So, yeah, so we're going down to the lake for a bit of fishing today, as we promised you guys we would do. So guys, if you saw the rods just then on my net, just I was swapping hand position with it a bit. So then it's not sticking out so much, like the end of the rods aren't sticking out so much then. Oh, we were hard to stop. Huh? The bait was trying to escape the trolley. But yeah guys, we're almost to the lake now. So we're going to find our spot and do a bit of fishing for a little bit. And then, yeah, because we did promise you guys that we would do a bit of fishing at the lake. So that's what we're doing today. So, yeah. And obviously we're now off down towards the lake. We'll half keep stopping. So obviously I have to walk slowly for him to keep up with me. But yeah, we're not far now from the lake. I always check on the train lights to make sure no trains are coming before I go underneath the bridge, because I don't walk underneath rail bridges when a train goes over the top. So we'll wait for the half on the corner here, as he's got the bait and the reels for my rod and his rod. So I usually like to wait here, let him catch up a bit with me. And then, right, and then he's sort of like quickly go under, get to the other side. Okay, and I'm through. No chance can go across what they like now. This is why I like standing at this bench here and having a look at the water before deciding where to go. It was a little bit shallow here, but that should be alright because we've got our long rods. Anyway, so I would say here would do. Yeah, I'm going to say here will do for us. One. That's your one. do if my rod would stop moving. Gotta make sure the eyes are level, guys. Right, before I can set up my rod. Right guys, now I've got to figure out which way my eyes are. They're there. Unhook my line. Pull the hydraulia over. Thank you. Right guys, this is where I make sure that I have, this is where now I make sure I get enough line out. Right, I'm going to do it this way, guys. Hopefully. No, I don't want to leave. Yep. That's got to do, guys. Now it's just quickly untangle my line again. Grab these ones. Wakey wakey in there. Wake up the bait a little bit, guys. Put bubbles on today. Hang on a minute, because I'm trying to sort bubbles out a minute.